So super important update for anybody that participated in a COVID mortgage forbearance program. This is fantastic news. So I'm calling it the buy and refi in 90 announcement. So today, both Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, so this is for conventional loans only, not FHA or VA, you can, if you participated in a mortgage forbearance and you're reinstated that mortgage after the forbearance term, okay? So basically means forbearance is over, now it's over. Once it's over, you will reach an agreement with the lender that'll either say, hey, we're gonna defer those 3 payments to the end of a loan, or we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna say you have to repay those over that 3 payments spread out over 12 months or 24 months or whatever the agreement is. Once that forbearance period is over and you've reached that payment plan agreement, and they've set you up on what your new monthly payment will be, all you have to do is make 3 monthly payments on time based on those new terms. And once that's done, buy a refi. So this is huge. So this means people that previously thought they weren't going to buy a refi for 12 months until they got out of their forbearance and they got everything resolved has been cut dramatically. That's no longer 12 months, it's just 3 months. So if you entered into a forbearance period and you started that forbearance period and you didn't make a payment in April, you didn't make a payment in May, and you're not planning on making a payment in June, well, once that 90-day forbearance is over, let's say for an example, and you reach repayment terms with Wells Fargo or Chase or Quicken, whoever you have that loan through, and they say, hey, I know you owe us those 3 months of payments. We're going to take those 3 months of payments. We're going to throw it on the back end of your loan. You say, oh, I appreciate that. I'm going to make my July payment. Make your July payment, your August payment, your September payment. Then you can refinance and take advantage of these insane rates that we're seeing in the high 2% on both 15-year and 20-year and 30-year fixed products. So great news for everybody. You know, you'll be able to refinance if you participated in mortgage forbearance, you know, in the third quarter or potentially even the very beginning of the fourth quarter, depending on when you entered it. So great news. Thank you, Mark Calabria, for everything you did in regards to that huge change. It's going to provide insane support for house prices. It's going to keep tons of buyers in the market and make sure anybody that has a job, has a home, they can always be at the lowest rate.